Health Services Academy, I've gotten to experience like lots of different opportunities to be able to kind of dip my toes in the water to be able to see if that's actually something I want to pursue after high school. And within Health Services Academy, I'm able to take math classes that'll be beneficial for me. I'm able to take those science classes. And we have our two specific pathways. We have our biomedical pathway and then our exercise pathway for health science. I'm in the Biomed Academy pathway, so I've taken biomed, I've taken human body systems, and then there's medical intervention, and it's a easy way to see whether you're interested in doing that in the first place without having to pay thousands upon thousands of dollars. Not only are you getting those classes out of the way to see if you like them or not, you're getting the help you need when you need it.
The Health Service Academy set a pathway for me into nursing. Freshman year, we took like this college career exploration, and I found out my strengths was like more into patient care. So I was like, okay, let's sign up for a health service. And then I got into it more, and I realized I actually enjoyed it. And so I feel more prepared for college now, looking at nursing schools, any nursing applications, and stuff like that.
I think I've always kind of wanted to do something in the Health Academy, but when I started doing classes with it, it helped me learn which path I wanted to take and which route I wanted to go down and learn like more about the careers that I wanted to pursue in the future.
One thing is just that it's not just like learning and researching, it's more of like hands-on lab-based, so if you're a hands-on learner, it's very helpful. It's definitely a good opportunity to see if that's what you would like or if you would like to try something else.
The Health Academy has prepared me for the future. It's very interactive. All the teachers, they will help you improve because they're there to help you. You actually do learn, especially because it's so hands-on. I feel like when I get to college and I go into the health field, I'll definitely have a big advantage because I'll know more than most students in different schools where they don't have academies like the Health Academy.